guys, welcome back. I'm Brooklyn. Sorry about all that noise because my mom is washing dishes. So today we are going to be making fluffy slime and normal slime. So we got some glue, Elmer's, some what's it called? Foam shaving cream. If you get the gel kind, it won't work, or the cream kind, whatever you call it. It won't work, it'll just make it regular or normal slime. And then some saline solution for the fluffy slime. So these three, the glue, shaving cream, and saline solution are for the fluffy. The glue, saline solution, and that baking soda are for the regular, the normal. And then you'll need a mixing tool and something to mix to make it. So let's get started. So we're going to be making the fluffy slime first. The thing about fluffy slime is if you add a lot of glue and you add a lot of shaving cream with it, it'll make it twice as the size of the glue. No, 3 times the size of the glue. So I added a little bit of glue. I don't know why, I just like to stir things apparently. And then I'm going to add some shaving cream. A lot of shaving cream, because I like shaving cream. Can you tell? Yeah. Okay. Gonna mix this in really good. And sometimes if you add too much shaving cream, you add a little bit more glue, which I will probably need to do that because, like I said, I love shaving cream. So, this needs a little bit of glue in it. So I got this song stuck in my head. It is a good song. Oh, and if you have Musical.ly, go to Brooklyn Baxton and watch that video. The first one is terrible because it was my first one, and yeah, so it was terrible. So I got it all mixed in. Sorry about the lighting. And then now we're gonna add the saline solution, a lot of the saline solution. I'm just making it plain white. The reason you add a lot of saline solution is because we're not adding baking soda to it. I don't know why, but I don't add baking soda to my fluffy slimes. So I think this is ready to go in with my hands. So it's starting to get better. I think it's not going to be stretchy because I added too much, what's it called, shaving cream. I can't remember the name, apparently. Look at my hands. But this is still really good slime. Really good slime. Actually, not really. It's not really a good slime. If you see things, oh, that's my dog's ears right there. Lulu, look, right there. That's my dog. He's a great thing. That's why he's 15 right there. I'm in a chair, not on the ground. So, this is actually really fluffy. All of it's sticking to it, so I got it up the bottom. Okay. So, my dog's looking outside at the snow. There is so much snow outside. I might be able to go sledding today. I don't know. Ooh la la la. Boom, 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 boom. I love that song. I mean, it is a little stretchy, but not that stretchy. See, it only goes, and then it breaks. Slowly into break. And then it doesn't stretch that far, but it's actually pretty good for fluff slime. Well, my fluff slime. Okay, after this, after I get all this out, we're going to start making the normal slime. I'm trying to make this like a short video, so it doesn't take as long for it to upgrade or update, whatever it says. So. There's a mustache. A mustache. Oh, my mustache is dropping. It's leaving me. He doesn't like how I take care of it. A beautiful mustache. I shaved it off. I shaved my mustache off. Sorry, like I said, sorry if you can hear my mom back there because she's doing dishes. Background noises. Okay. So, if you see that pantry door open, just don't mind that. Like I said, don't mind that. Okay. So, I got this slime out and clean enough. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Whoa. That helped a lot, apparently. It's almost yellow. It's not. Okay, anyways. I was said, Mom, can you get me a bowl? Put this in.
Container?
A bowl. Thank you. She got me a clean bowl to put this in. Actually, I'll put this in the bowl that I made it in, and I'll make, I'll make the normal slime and the clean one she gave me. Okay, set it to the side so I don't play with it like I always do in my other videos. Distracted. Okay, so my hands are pretty clean. And the spoon is not. It's not a big deal, but I want it to be clean. Okay, so I'm just going to make my slimes white because I don't like even my regular slime and my normal slime. Regular slime because I don't want it to be color, and if it's optional if you want to add paint, but if you are going to add paint, you add it right after the glue, then you start. It smells good. What are we having?
Stuff for dinner.
Smells good. This is a normal slime, so I'm just going to make a pretty big batch. Not really, but... Okay. Oh, I can't show you, it's too runny. Maybe if I stir it up a little bit, and then I'll show you. I can't show you, but I'll show you at the end. There you go. See it? Sorry, it's a little rough. Okay, there we go. That's better. It smells so good. Okay, so we have the glue, same solution. soda. Added quite a bit because I don't want to add any more. So, yeah. And I just can't get over that smell. It smells so good. It smells like garlic.
Roasting garlic.
That's good though. Alright, guys. This is because she's noticed that in Tennessee. Yeah, it's not ready yet. Actually, yeah, no. Okay, now it's ready. Put it in the batches. Can you add some saline solution to this? Thank you.
Good.
Yeah. Hi. Salad turned out really good, actually. Really good, actually. Still a little sticky, but it's really good. When I'm done doing this slime, I might take the fluffy slime and the slime in the bathroom so I can do a swirl. Because I can't do it in here because the counter, like it will dry the counter. So that's why. Sorry, the microwave is so annoying. Sorry about the microwave. It's really annoying. Really annoying. Don't mind it. Pretty good sign. Just a little sticky. Oh, and if you noticed, I don't use, I might have already told you this, but I don't use baking soda for my fluffy slime. This is a big batch. How big this is compared to my head? It's huge. Oh, this gives you a workout. Really good. Okay. Oh, I also wanted to show you something I got yesterday at the Justice in St. Louis. So it says it looks like a lava lamp, but it's not a lava lamp. So what you do, take this off, and there's that thing. Sorry, my mom's taking pictures over there of the food. And then slime. Really good slime, actually. Now what I have to do, my dog is so annoying. I have to take some of this out. Excuse me. that's good enough. You just put this on. I meant to show this in the beginning of the video, but apparently I didn't. So, what I have to do is set that on, do this, and it will go on. You have to kind of like turn it, and then it goes on. And on accident, I kind of tore this when it's supposed to be glued, but still good. It won't fall off. Still really good, but I accidentally did it because I didn't know how to open it. So I really wish it was a log lamp though. I've never even had a log lamp before. I'm meaning to make holes in those. See? There we go. That was not sticky. Okay, so we're going to bring these slimes into the bathroom, maybe. We're going to carry them. And you. I'll focus on all tips so I can tip that one. But the other one. Sorry about my hand, guys. Okay, so I'm trying to carry them with one hand, but it's not working very well. So now we just set these down. Sorry, it's really dark in here. You can barely even see me. Okay, don't mind that. Okay, there we go. That's a shower curtain over there. Over there, don't mind that. So we're going to, I'm going to review you on the fluffy slime. So fluffy slime, right here, sorry. I'm going to shut the door because the glare is not very well. There, that helps. Because the white slime you can actually see, kind of. Right here you can see it. It's really fluffy too. Medium light on. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Okay, anyways, glare is killing me. There, it's white. Really fluffy here. So, scoot that over. Okay, then we're going to do a signature swirl or twist. Can't remember what it's called. Swirl. It's either a signature swirl or signature twist. I think it's a signature twist, but I'm not for sure. Okay, so I got it all like that, and then I'm going to swirl it. There we go. That is the swirl, guys. Well, you can't see it. 1 second. Okay, good. Still going. This. You can see. I don't know where it is. Can't see it. It looks like an eye. From up here, that looks like an eye. Okay, the lighting is killing me. It's not very good now because my iPad fell into it. Right there, you can barely see it, but right there. Drama, but with the iPad and the slime. Well, yeah, the iPad. The slime didn't work out. I guess they aren't friends. But this slime can do the job. It really feels like glue. Glue, not glue. And after I do this, where I want to blow a bubble with this, I'll blow a bubble with fluffy slime. Sorry this video is so long. I said it was going to be short, but apparently it's not. Okay, so I'm just going to twist or swirl, whichever one it is, or whichever one you want to call it. That didn't work very well. I'll be right back. Just keep an eye on my slime to let you see that. Actually, I'll turn it upside down. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. Told you I'd be like right back. I have to add some saline solution to this because it is too sticky to do the signature twist. It's like too runny too. Like it'll go and drop right down. So we can't do that. I won't do it. Okay. I think we're good now. Okay. Blow a bubble. See, that's a bad bubble. But I'm sorry that toilet is so annoying. But if anybody in the neighborhood turns on the water, it will do that. It's so annoying. Literally so annoying. Okay. Okay, ready? That's a bad one, but I don't care. At least it is one. Here we go again. Trying to let you see the top. Apparently it doesn't want me to. There we go. Kind of. There. It's pretty bad, but I don't care. Okay. That iPad falls. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I have a question of the day. What, like if you made this, come back to this video and comment what slime you like better, the fluffy or, okay, So this is a not fluffy one. Bubbles, bubbles. Or the fluffy slime. But the texture is different and it is really clicky also. Ready? This one can also blow bubbles, kind of. Not really, but. Comment down below which one you like. Like, go make the slime, and then come back and comment what slime you like better. And like I said, it's optional if you want to make it colorful. I just wanted to make it white. For no reason, I just really like white, like plain colors. Don't know why, but. Okay, guys. Love you, and I will see you next time. Bye.